Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, clearer, and more energized, almost as if your body had a secret overnight reset button. What if that feeling wasn't just reserved for a lucky few, but was actually coded into our biology, available to anyone who knows how to access it? There's a remarkable process happening within you right now, one that quietly supports your health, clears out cellular clutter, and might just be the key to aging gracefully. It's called autophagy, a word that literally means self-eating, but don't let that scare you. In fact, it's one of the most beneficial and fascinating features of our cells. To understand autophagy, picture your body as a bustling city. Over time, buildings wear down, roads develop potholes, and garbage piles up. Without a dedicated cleanup crew, the city would eventually grind to a halt. Well, within your cells, autophagy is that essential team. It finds and recycles broken parts, sweeps away debris, and provides raw materials for new construction. This is how your body stays resilient, youthful, and protected from disease. For decades, scientists observed hints of this process, but it was Japanese researcher Yoshinori Ohsumi who finally cracked the code. By studying yeast cells, he revealed the inner workings of autophagy and showed how our bodies are constantly engaged in a microscopic spring cleaning. His work won the Nobel Prize in Medicine in 2016, opening a new chapter in our understanding of health and longevity. But why should you care? Because activating autophagy isn't just a scientific curiosity. It's one of the most practical things you can do to support your own well-being. When autophagy runs smoothly, your immune system is stronger, your brain stays sharper, and your metabolism hums along efficiently. It even plays a role in how gracefully you age, helping to fend off the chronic diseases that so often accompany later life. So how do you encourage this remarkable self-renewal process? The answer is both simple and profound. By giving your body regular periods of rest from eating. This is where intermittent fasting comes in. Not as a crash diet or deprivation, but as a natural rhythm that aligns with how our bodies evolved. For most of human history, food wasn't always available, and our cells adapted by developing a recycling system for times when nutrients were scarce. Intermittent fasting is about timing your meals so your body has the chance to switch from digestion mode into repair mode. One popular method is the 16.8 approach. You eat all your meals within an 8-hour window, say from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., and fast for the remaining 16 hours. This might sound intimidating, but remember, a good portion of that fasting window happens while you're asleep. If that seems daunting, start with a 12-hour eating window and gradually narrow it as your body adapts. The key is consistency and finding what feels sustainable for you. During your fasting hours, stick to water, herbal teas, or warm lemon water. These can help curb hunger and support your body's detox efforts. Why does this work? When you're not constantly digesting food, your body can focus on deeper tasks, like repairing damaged cells, clearing out toxins, and producing fresh, healthy components. This isn't just about weight loss, though that can be a side benefit. It's about giving your body a break so it can perform essential maintenance, much like closing a shop for cleaning after a busy day. There's another layer to consider. Your body operates on a circadian rhythm, an internal clock that influences everything from hormone levels to cell repair. Autophagy tends to ramp up at night when you're not eating, and your digestive system is at rest. Eating late into the evening can disrupt this natural cycle, forcing your body to juggle digestion and repair at the same time. By finishing your last meal earlier, say by 6:30, or 7 o'clock p.m., you amplify your body's ability to clean house, especially during those critical nighttime hours. But food choices matter too. Research suggests that frequent high-protein meals, especially those rich in animal protein, can blunt autophagy. This doesn't mean you have to give up meat, but consider building in a few lower protein or plant-based days each week. This variation gives your body a chance to shift gears into repair mode more deeply. It's also important to nourish your body well during eating windows. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Plenty of colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, whole grains, healthy fats like olive oil or avocado, and moderate portions of lean protein. These foods provide the nutrients your cells need to thrive, while minimizing the inflammatory triggers that can bog down your system. As you experiment with intermittent fasting, pay attention to how you feel. Some people notice improved energy, sharper focus, or better digestion within just a few weeks. Others might take a bit longer to adjust. If you ever feel dizzy, lightheaded, or unwell, that's a sign to ease back, lengthen your eating window, or consult a healthcare professional. Let's quickly recap. Autophagy is your body's built-in repair and recycling system, sweeping away damaged materials and defending against disease. You can activate this process naturally by practicing intermittent fasting, aligning your meals with your body's circadian rhythm, and occasionally moderating your protein intake. Hydration is key. Keep water or herbal tea on hand to support detoxification and help curb appetite during fasting hours. Focus on nourishing real foods when you do eat, and don't be afraid to start small. Every step toward a more mindful eating pattern can help. The beauty of autophagy is that it doesn't require expensive supplements, complicated routines, or extreme diets. It's about working with your body's innate intelligence and honoring the cycles that have kept humans healthy for millennia. By embracing simple practices like meal timing and whole foods, you tap into a powerful toolkit for aging well, protecting your brain and feeling vibrant at any stage of life. So, the next time you hear about people who seem to defy the aging process, remember, their secret might not be luck or genetics, but the quiet, diligent work of autophagy. It's a process you can nurture starting today, one meal, one mindful choice at a time. If you're enjoying this natural wellness tip so far, give this video a quick like. And if you love easy, at-home health remedies, be sure to subscribe. I've got plenty more coming your way.